Graph y equals x squared plus 2x minus 8 over x minus 1 without using the graphing feature of your calculator. To graph this, we will find the horizontal asymptote, vertical asymptotes, the y-intercept, x-intercepts, the domain and range, and the equation of the oblique asymptote. Set up the graph and create a green box to store the data. We'll begin with the horizontal asymptote. The degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, so there is no horizontal asymptote. Now we'll find the vertical asymptotes. Vertical asymptotes occur at the zeros of the polynomial in the denominator. Write the equation x minus 1 equals 0. Add 1 to both sides of the equation to get x equals 1. There is a vertical asymptote at x equals 1. The y-intercept occurs at x equals 0. Plug in 0 for x. This evaluates to 8. The y-intercept of the graph is at the point 0, 8. Now we'll find the x-intercepts. X-intercepts occur when y equals 0. Plug in 0 for y. Multiply both sides of the equation by x minus 1. This gives us 0 equals x squared plus 2x minus 8. Factor the trinomial to get 0 equals x plus 4 times x minus 2. The roots of the equation are x equals negative 4 and 2. The graph has x-intercepts at the points negative 4, 0 and 2, 0. Now we'll find other points. We need to manually find a few points so that we know how to shape the graph. Find a few points in the left region. Next, find a few points in the right region. We now have enough information to draw the graph accurately. Next, we'll state the domain and range. The domain is x belongs to a set of real numbers with the restriction that x cannot equal 1. The range is y belongs to a set of real numbers. Finally, we'll find the equation of the oblique asymptote. The degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, so an oblique asymptote exists for this graph. Set up the synthetic division. Complete the synthetic division. Now express the division using p of x over d of x equals q of x plus r over d of x. We get x squared plus 2x minus 8 over x minus 1 equals x plus 3 minus 5 over x minus 1. We can ignore the remainder term. The equation of the oblique asymptote is y equals x plus 3.